How are your classes going? Are they easy to follow, or is anything challenging?
I feel very comfortable. This year has been a little bit more challenging than the past years just because it's been a little bit harder to organize myself since I'm on one-on-one program.
Mm,
So it depends on
mm-hmm.
me, but the teachers have been very, very understanding, and they help me to release like that burden of my shoulders and help me feel
Mm.
like a little bit more calmed. They are very, very friendly. Um, and also the platform is very easy to understand. So I feel good. I've had that challenge this year, but they have helped me very much.
It's been 3 years, so how do you feel about your school experience so far?
Oh, good. It's a big change because I had been in traditional school my whole life.
Hmm.
So the first time I had an interaction with online school was during the pandemic because all the schools were closed. But after the pandemic ended, we decided for me to stay homeschooling. So I did one more year in traditional school, and then I made the change, and this is my third year. So I like it because it's different, but it gives me more freedom. I can manage my own time. And also, the learning program is easier for me to.
If you could name your school after a movie, what would it be and why?
There's a TV show that I used to see. There was 100 things to do before 100 things to do before ending high school. I think I remember the name in Spanish, so I don't know what it is in English, but that was the idea. So that I think that's what I would name it. Adventures they want to do at school before they end school. Challenge for them to overcome in order to reach that goal and do that thing that they want to do and that experience they want to live before they end high school.
What message would you share with fellow friends to inspire or help them?
So my name is Mia. I've been in international schooling for 3 years. This is my last year of school, and it's been a lovely experience from the very beginning. I would recommend international schooling because of how kind and how friendly everyone is in the admin team and also the teachers. The platform is very easy to understand, and it can also adjust to our own lifestyle. So it's a way to enjoy school and enjoy learning.